of that video that you would have seen me explaining that neutral spine and how to hold your core, I'm going to show now the progressions of that, which should be the basis of pretty much a lot of the exercises that you'll be doing at gym. So things like deadlifting, squatting, lunging, pretty much anything you're going to do, and you can even make this daily life. So something that you'll often see at gym is people thinking, they've always been told stick your bum out when you squat. So people will do that, and they've got this heavy load, and they land up in some position like this, or even worse with their head forward like that. If you try and demonstrate yourself right now, you'll just feel you get a lot of tension in that bottom spine of yours, and that will often lead to disc injuries. So a simple thing, what I'm going to show you, basically what I showed you when you were lying on the bed before, is using those ribs to understand that proprioception of how to hold that cylinder, which is your core. So a lot of people standing like this, again, you just feel that tension straight away. All I want you to do is find that neutral spine. So again, you can see I've got this excessive curve here, or you've got the opposite, which is this really flat back. So we want to find the sweet spot, which is exactly halfway between those 2 points. So put your hands on your hips, tilt all the way forward, all the way back, and you'll feel when you tilt all the way forward, it's really uncomfortable in that lower spine. Okay, you're going to find that halfway point. When you find that halfway point, I want you just to hold that. And again, as seen before, when you're tilting all the way forward, this area here, which is within your ribs, is a really big area. Tilt it all the way flat, and that area goes. So find that halfway point, and then hold that there. Okay? Now, before you do any exercises, find the spot, hold it, and you'll feel your core feels really strong. If someone comes and pushes me now, I'm really stable. And this now will be the prelude to squatting or deadlifting. So now if you can imagine, I've got this heavy weight on my back. I'm in this position. I can now start doing things like hip hinging. So forward and back, we're maintaining this position here. Okay? So for those of you that do go to gym, you can squat and deadlift. So find that position, do that hip hinge, and from there you can start doing things like your squat or your deadlift. But now look at my position, and when I'm tilting, I'm not getting into that movement there. Or when I'm squatting, I'm not getting there.